Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Codism with Farhana. In my previous video, I have given the full instruction and the step-by-step process how you can install OpenGL and run it smoothly. And after that, and today's video, I will give you the idea about how you can edit your project. And this is a complete project. After download it, how you can change the location, the path, and suppose here is the sky. You want this sky is here, stay here. So how you can do this, so I will share with you in this video. Okay, so let's start. And one thing is extra that you will use ChatGPT, or now latest is DeepSeek. You can use for your better performance. And if you are new and you have a short time to submit your project, so that time you will just take help from ChatGPT and or DeepSeek. Okay, so I have done it by ChatGPT, and some changes I have done by myself, but the full demo project is with ChatGPT, so that it will help you to give a full idea about the project. And if you have some coding knowledge, so you can easily edit it. Okay, now you can see, I think all is clear. Okay, here you can see, first of all, our mosquito design we have to create, because this is the main part, because our project is dengue awareness mosquitoes. So obviously we have to give full focus on mosquito, though my mosquito is not looking so much good, but it's okay. It's enough, because this is a ChatGPT project, so ChatGPT give me that kind of look. Okay, you can edit it by yourself, no problem. Just you have to understand which way you can do this, and also the coordinate system. Okay, so first of all, you have to know the graphics basic things. After that, you can easily do whatever you want. Okay, so first of all, here structure. Here you can see struct. Okay, I will simply to pick. Okay, struct. Okay, and first of all, you have to include some package or library. You can say some library you have to call, include here. After that, here struct mosquito. This is a variable name. Okay, mosquito. Okay, so we can see this is a class. Okay, mosquito, and inside it we have given some float member. Here this is the position, and this variable is for direction and movement, float size. Okay, and after that a constant number mosquitoes. Suppose here is 15. You can see here is 15 mosquitoes. You can change it here. Suppose 100 mosquito. Okay, sorry. Suppose 100 mosquitoes. Okay, so let's run it again. Here you can see a lot of mosquitoes. That means 100 mosquito, because we have given here 100 mosquitoes. So that means 100. If suppose I give her 1000, how it looks like. So see, so I think you can understand. So I just remove all of this and just 15. Let's look good. Okay, so after that, mosquito, this mosquito is come from this mosquito class. Okay, so after that mosquitoes and number, this is a array. Inside this array we have given our number, how much mosquito we want. Okay, after that, variables for pond, water bowl. Okay, just water bowl. Here water bowl visible, that means what? Here you can see this is a bowl. This is not looking so much good bowl, but you can see. Okay, visible false, that spraying false. Spraying false, that means suppose here you can see start S button for effect. Okay, S, see, this is the spray. Okay, this is also false. Okay, after that, here is spray X, spray Y, that means coordinate. Suppose this is our center, and this coordinate, this is positive coordinate, this is positive negative, negative negative, positive negative, that type of coordinate system, and which I need. So I just set it here, and this is the radius, and F means here is float. Okay, floating value. And water bowl X, direction X, Y, and bowl radius. Okay, so after that, initialize mosquitoes. So where it should be initialize mosquitoes, here is the boundary. We know that our coordinate system boundary here is -1 to 1. Okay, So after rest of the part, it's not working. Okay, if you give 0.10, it will not work maybe. Okay, so after that, draw mosquito. How we have to draw here? GL color means which color we have to give, and this is body, and part to part here is separated, so you can easily understand which part is from for what. So after that, wings and x and y direction, that means this position to this position. So here all is coordinate system, so you have to understand x and y direction. Okay, after that, draw the house. Okay, this is also interesting part. There is color, so dark brown, this is the body part, base. And after the roof, this is the roof, and this is dark blue. And this, it has also float x, float y, and width and height. Okay, so this is the function. After that, in my display function, we will call and input our value. Okay, so let's check. This way, similar way, you have to draw a different thing. So you have to, when you are going to give the vertex and this part, which part and which position, so you have to start GL beginning and end GL end. Okay, so, and if you have the knowledge about graphics, computer graphics a little bit, the mathematical term, so that you can easily understand it. Okay, so pond design, because it is circle, so here is the cause and sign direction. Okay, and update mosquitoes, that means the mosquitoes position, that before that we have shown initialize position. Okay, initialize mosquitoes. So after that, here is the position direction, that which way it should move. And you can see one is here, one is there. This is moving. Okay, so here you can see it will go here, and after that it will go different place. Okay, okay, after that, here is the direction and the condition. So if you know programming, so you can understand it easily. After the display text, so text means which text I want to give. So display text, inside it I have given, okay, it was gone. Okay, in this display text I have given dengue awareness mosquito, but it is called from bottom. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is a big project, so if you want to go at any of the locations, so just press Ctrl F, and here you can give your which part you want to go. Display text, see, here is the display text. Okay, so this way you will go. Okay, so where we are. Okay, after that, update mosquitoes. After the display text, this draw ball with water, draw ball with water. But I didn't do anything with this part, so I just want to copy that. Okay, I just want to copy this. Okay, so after that, display instruction. Okay, display instructions. So here you can see this instruction is this instruction here. And one thing you have to remember, that you have to count the number of line, 1 2, and you have to write this way, 3 4 4 5 6 7. Okay, maybe 8, 8 line. Okay, so you have to give here 8. So if you write it here 9, so that means what is the problem? So suppose here you can write 4 point high, 4 dot high, and there is the comma. Just remove this and again run. Okay, you can see after giving 9 and this here is 9 line, so it is showing. And if I give here 8 and let me check it again, see here 9 line, but here I have given 8, so that means it will not show. Okay, so I think you can understand. I'll just remove it. After that, cloud, draw the cloud. And where is the cloud? And cloud is also circle, and you have to also use this way, angle, which angle it should move. That means from there, which angle from there, which angle, you have to understand it. Okay, after the display part, and this is the main part. Okay, before, how much we have done, this is all about the structure and design, but here is no value given, but this is the main display part where their value is given. Okay, so now you can see here x and y, and we know that -1.0, and here first of all here the color, and you can easily do it by yourself. Which color? This is red, green, blue. Okay, three shade, and if you give your cursor here, you can see red, green, and blue. Okay, and after that, if you want to start the vertex, and that means the coordinate, which coordinates, so you have to start gl begin, and inside it you have to call a library function. Okay, and after that, when you your this part is complete, you have to simply write gl end. Okay, that this way cloud. And now if you want to understand that the position, center position is where, so okay, let's go. Now you can see this cloud is here, so we want to take it in our center. Okay, so how you can do this? Okay, simply this is the first cloud. Okay, you can change it here. Okay, so run it again. Okay, here you can see this is the center position. That means your task is working. Okay, before that, it is here -0.8. That means this is center, and -0.8 means this side, left side. Okay, and after that, here was 0.6. That means 0.6 means this way. This is y direction, this is x direction, -x, and this is y direction. So I think you can understand. Okay, I'll update it. Okay, after that, this way you have to check all of this. I think if you understand one part, you can understand all the part. Okay, so after that, here is drawing the mosquito, how it looks like, and after that, this is the ball part. Okay, we have already given before water ball is false. That means now if water balls is not false, that means what will going to show? Draw water bottle if visible. Draw water bottle if visible. That means if it is visible, that then what it will show. So this is the look, and after that, this is spray, and that means which spray. Here I have already given the instruction, start spray with S. Okay, S, type in our keyboard S. You can see this is the spray. This is not looking so much good, but it is working. Okay, so after that, here is the timer, update positions, redraw the scene, approx 20 fps. Okay, and after that, keyboard. Here is the keyboard part, and you can change the keyboard number. Here are, you can give P and small p, capital P, no problem. So I don't want to change it right now. And that means here I have given another instruction, remove water from the bottle. Press R. When I have pressed R, that time you can see the ball is removed. That means when I press, when I pressed R, that means water ball visible is true. Okay, true button is working. Before that, it will false. Okay, after that, init, this is the white background and or coordinator. Okay, and the orthogonic projection. Okay, initialize position. Okay, after that, main part, this is the main part, and here is some part is given, and like slowly moving dengue mosquitoes with background, which I have give the instruction. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope that you can understand, and if you just edit sometime, so you will understand it by yourself. This is not a big deal, and use ChatGPT or DeepSeek, because it will help you a lot. Okay, so for today, assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.